Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you a recycled kitchen. I call it recycled because most of the items here are from recycling. This kitchen adjoins to a living room that I shared with you recently, which is one of my favorite living rooms. But we're focusing on the kitchen. So let me tell you what I did. If you have been following me, you might remember this kitchen, but you might be new to my channel, so maybe you haven't seen it yet. So let me show you what I did here. So the stove and the sink, that is all one unit, and that is made from a toothpaste box. I wrapped it up with duct tape. Duct tape is usually gray. Well, I think duct tape comes in a lot of colors, but I'm using the original gray duct tape. So I wrapped it around the box, the toothpaste box. And then from there, I worked my way across to make a stove top, the sink. And being that it's a box, a cardboard box, I was able to cut a hole in that one and then make it a sink. So that is a toothpaste box. Now here we have the refrigerator. The refrigerator is a soap box, also wrapped in the same duct tape. Up here I have another box, a long box wrapped in duct tape, but I added pieces to it to look like cabinets. And I also used some autocollants from the Dollar Tree just to continue decorating it. The same on the wall. That piece that says eat is an autocollant. And the background is just a brick paper, a brick themed paper that I placed right behind it. So all this is taking place on top of a chessboard. It's a marble chessboard. Now, this is the island. They call it the island. It's a counter where you can eat, sit and eat and socialize. So I used a cell phone cover for it. That's all that is, a cell phone cover. The middle piece is actually a candle pirate hat from some toys. But it looked to me like some type of turkey, like a pan with a turkey inside. So I placed it there. It actually looks like it's burnt. But one time, I think I made a Thanksgiving dinner creation right on top of this. That's why it's still there. Then I have this other table, which I added to the creation. Now, this house, I paid $30 for at a flea market. And it did not have windows, so my hubby was nice enough to make the windows, and he made this window here. I added some utensil autocollants to the walls. Then on this side here, I have more of that brick face paper. I added some poker chips, white ones to match with the kitchen. And then there's another box here that I am using as part of the kitchen to place little pieces on. I added some plants. And that's it. I am using a battery operated light on the ceiling. The bird in the cage. And like I said, this kitchen here adjoins to a living room. So you can see right through. This is supposed to be like a French door. I am using transparent paper. I took a marker and made it look like a French door. So it adjoins to this beautiful living room that I created. I am sure that you saw this in a previous video recently, but I am sharing it with you again just in case. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed. I am going to close the doors. And thank you so much for watching.